Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can model a scooter in SolidWorks. In this project we will design a scooter using SolidWorks by modeling individual components and assembling them into a complete product. The design process will begin with the frame created using Extruded Boss, batch features, defining its length and support structure. The project covers the fundamental technique for 3D modeling in SolidWorks and is ideal for learning about part designing, assembling, and also customizations. You will get this 3D designed scooter file in the description that I put the link to download this model, so you can download this model and also you can customize it, scale it and edit different part and prepare your own. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comments, and if you want to know anything specific about it or more about it, please comments. And I hope I see you in the next video with another exciting 3D model.